Good morning, guys. It is February the 16th, 2025. It's about 8 o'clock a.m. right now. We have had a lot of rain out here. Got a flash flood warning 5 o'clock this morning. Haven't been able to get out and do anything, but we're going to try to get out and get some video today of a couple different things. Obviously, there's a lot of flooding in the area, so we're going to go check some areas out. See if, well, first we'll go down here to Alvarado and just see what it looks like. But I'm thinking we're going to be missing a lot more edges. We're going to have a lot more slides, and it's going to be interesting to see what the river looks like going down to the lake. I don't know if we'll get down there today, but we're going to go check some stuff out. We'll be back in a little bit. Super saturated down through here. I mean, this is normal this time of year. We usually get a lot of rain this time of year, but this is a lot. Go check it out. Just what we need. Some more flooding. Coming up on the Donkey Lodge. Now this used to flood out every time it flooded like this. And you can see the driveway is a little bit wet through there, but they got some good drainage in there. And it looks like they're okay. As long as that never gets stopped up, they'll probably be okay. Here in Alvarado, boy, this area here has seen a lot of water this year. Crazy though, as much water and rain as we have had, nothing like when Helene came through here. But you can see it's just going to keep eating this edge off over here. We need some trees or something along these edges to keep it from washing out. It was up in here yesterday, so it's actually went down a little bit, even though we had a ton of rain this morning. It'll be a little while before we can go fish, but it'll be soon. That needs to be cleaned out. But it's draining pretty well right now. Not bad. We've definitely had plenty of rain, but yeah, this happens every year. See if we can sneak up on this guy. It didn't work. She's down here. I wonder where he's at. I think that's her. Yeah. He's out here somewhere for sure. She saw me step out from behind that tree, but then I stood here perfectly still. She can't tell if I'm moving or not. I'm moving very slow right now. You never get this close to these guys. At least I don't. There she goes. She said, I'm tired of you. I'll go over here on the other side. It's unusual. Has been a lot of rain, obviously, but I have not seen the first person out here. Usually I would have saw somebody by now, but it is still a little bit early, so we will see. Right now it's a good time to be out here kayaking. You don't have to worry about getting beat up by many rocks. It is not bony, as they say. It's the winery over there. Oh, is that an eagle over there? What was that? I don't know what that was. Let's go see if we can find it again. Looks like this whole section's gonna be in the creek before too long. All those trees. I don't know what the temperature is today, but it feels very, very warm out here. I'd say a lot of that has to do with the moisture in the air, but compared to the cold weather we've had, it feels really good out here right now. And I think it's supposed to get really cold again. I think Miss Janice said down to 8 degrees maybe here coming up soon. I am not looking forward to that. Middle Fork sure is pushing over there. Well, it looks like that water's came up down here on this edge and washed a bunch of stuff away. Obviously it's not clean down there, but it looks like that water was up. Need that little dude down there. It's always crazy the difference between the two. Well, looks like we finally got a couple people out here. So, yeah, I'm not the only one out here today. Sun up there trying to poke its head through. We might get some sunshine today. I'm out here on Route 58, guys. The Middle Fork side got hit pretty hard over here. Wow. It's up around that building over there. It might have got hit worse on this side this time than it did during the storm. I don't know. And it's raining once again. It quit for a little while, but it's right back up pouring again. Miss Janice way over there on the other side. You can see her car over there. Well, 4Runner. She's over there getting some video. Yeah, the Middle Fork is way up. Storm drain's running pretty good. The river looked like it had actually come up a little bit when I left out. I guess it ain't quite as bad as when Helene came through, because I'd say Helene did this, but it's getting close. This has been one heck of a season for rain, I'll tell you. Holy cow, that wind about took me off my feet. A little building almost all the way under. Middle Fork got hit good over here. The South Fork's not up like this yet. Yeah, the South Fork hasn't come up like this yet, but the Middle Fork definitely got a lot of rain. There's a little fly shop out here in town, or close to town. This is not the worst we've ever seen out here, but it's definitely up a good bit right now. But it has stopped raining, so hopefully we're getting close to the end of it. Good gracious, guys. That wind is something else today. I don't know how well you guys could see it back through there, but the Middle Fork is way up. It's back up close to Helene levels, no doubt. They haven't done a whole lot right here in this section for a while, and I don't know why. It may just be that they don't have what they need to continue on, or they went to do other things. I don't know. Pouring rain. We're kind of getting a little bit soaking wet. We're right here in the middle of Damascus now, just checking everything out. Looks like they've done some more cleanup over here, but the edge over there on that one side still hasn't been touched much. I think it's just a little harder to get to and get everything out of there as well. All right, we're gonna get back to the vehicle and go up, look at Route 58. It being Sunday, I don't think there'll be anybody out there working. We'll actually be able to go up through there a little bit further than what we have been over the past few weeks. Right back down here below this mobile home park again. I'm sure that's the last thing he wanted to see, but yeah, he's flooded out pretty good up through here again. What I was saying about them having to rebuild these creeks, because you know they've just diverted now to the point that anytime the water gets up to flood stage like this is what's going to happen. So yeah, they need to come rebuild the edges. It's just going to keep happening over and over and over again. This weather is something else right now. Holy cow, guys. I'm getting soaked. The wind is unbelievable. I don't know if we're gonna make it up Route 58. It's not good right now. Holy cow. We made it up to Route 58. The rain has slacked off a little bit, but who knows for how long. I don't want to get caught out here in it, that's for sure. The wind is trying to keep it moving, guys. Get up here and get this before it starts raining again. Crazy amount of rain we've had, and it's nowhere even close to what it was when that storm came through here, because we have had a lot of rain. Of course, it's been off and on. It hasn't been steady for 3 or 4 days. You know, it'd be steady for a day and off for a day, steady for a day. So that's probably saved us. Check that out, boys. I wish we had one of those back when I was a young man doing this kind of stuff. The ones we had were handheld. If you knew what you were doing, they weren't that bad, but I've seen people get yanked all over the place by them. Yeah, that right there looks pretty easy to use. Well, can't remember what today's date was. I know today's Sunday. I said it in the beginning of the video. But anyway, this is how far they've made it with the water line, it looks like. We're right here close to trestle number 20. They have worked this edge over here too. The last time we were up here, this was all bigger rock. So they've definitely filled this in a lot. They filled that in a lot, ain't they? They filled this in a lot. Holy cow. Yeah. They've done some work here since we were last here. Got the water line over there. Got the white dotted line painted down through there. I don't know if that's going to be the edge of their road or what that is. Looks to me that somebody's been over there straightening that up, but I could be wrong. Could just be because this water's up here, but yeah, surely somebody's been over there fixing that. And they've been fixing that edge up there too. It's going to be interesting. We haven't been up through here in a while. Cut this section out. Put some drainage in here. Old water line down there. Getting colder out here, guys. Yeah, it's definitely getting a lot colder. Feels like it's probably dropped at least 10 degrees since this morning, maybe 12. Yeah, it's getting cold. This edge has definitely had a lot done since we were last here. Another section they cut out and put drainage in. Yeah, they've been getting some stuff done out here since we were last here. Of course, the last couple weeks we came up here, they were out here working. I didn't want to get in their way. So it's kind of a good thing that we came out on Sunday. Check it out, guys. It's been a while since we've been up here, but they rebuilt this whole section of the creek right here. If you remember before, this used to be gutted out right here, and all this stuff was piled up out here towards the middle. But they've rebuilt this section. I don't know what they're gonna do as far as getting that creeper trail back over there, but yeah, this whole area's been redone. This is pretty cool. Yeah, they rebuilt this whole section of the creek right here. Crazy, ain't it? They filled it all in, rebuilt that whole section over there.
Speculated on this so much, now we know. That's crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Back where it was.
Check out that waterfall over there on the other side, guys. I wish I could get all the way over there and get a close-up of it. That's crazy. Tell you what, guys, this looks so much different through here, but it seems like it's lower than it was before, which may not be a good thing. Doesn't it seem lower to you than it was before? Yeah. I could be wrong, but it'd be.
There was the part that didn't erode, but if you look up there to see where the original concrete or blacktop was.
Maybe they've just built it up and it just looks lower, but it'll be interesting to go back and look at the old videos and see.
Yeah.
But this definitely looks different through here, doesn't it?
Oh gosh, so different. I love that. A lot of progress being made. Kudos to the guys. Hopefully all this riprap at the river holds up, since we didn't see the concrete being poured in there. Just get eroded underneath and slowly we can stuff back up there. Praying for that. Not getting it.
hacker. It's a whacker Newson, baby. Have you heard of that name before? Really? Yeah, it's dangerous out here right now. They've been doing a good bit up here. Go check it out. Tell you what, the kayakers will be loving this. There's some nice holes down through here. More drainage they put in here. They got us a new edge out here by the giant rock. Filled all this in.
Set up some of these riprap,
Yeah,
slow downs, whatever you call
it
them.
would help.
Yeah, I need that. I have cut into the ditch that I had to make because it runs down the hill and kind of put it into the side hill, but I need this, something less ugly.
So what is that, guys? Is that a natural spring coming out there, or is that where an old drain was and it's just rotted out completely? Yeah, I don't know.
It would have been hard to video yesterday. It was coming down so hard.
They've got a definitive edge down through there, don't they?
They do. This part was so bad, remember?
Yeah. This part was basically nothing.
Yeah. I hope they're going to fucking concrete out here, like out here.
Yeah, I don't know.
Just let it infiltrate the stone, you know?
Yeah. This definitely looks different up through here.
Yeah. Night and day difference.
It has been a while since we've been here, but this was one of the spots where I used to come to each week. This is what she's looking like now. They've done a lot of work up through here since we've last been here, I can see. Looks like they've dug down and rebuilt all that up through there, so that's going to be interesting to go look at. We haven't seen any progress up in that area since the flood. We've got a lot of work done up here since the last time we were here. Well, as you can see, this area looks a lot different than the last time we were up here. Apparently they've found more gravel. Looking good, looking good. Well, I guess this is probably gonna be where we end the video today, guys, but it was nice to get out here and see some progress that we haven't seen. Appreciate you guys coming and hanging out with us. Maybe you can come back with us next weekend. Don't know where we'll be going, but we'll definitely be going somewhere. Love y'all. I didn't even notice that up there a little bit ago, but you see those trees have come down across the road. I bet you all the way up the mountain there's more of that. It's just been so wet. Yeah, you're the one that had to say it, wasn't you?
I know, I regret it.
She was just saying, at least it's not raining and the wind's not blowing, and then whoosh. I was thinking to myself,
Sorry, I was just kidding. You don't have to show that you got all the power. I got it, I know. Oh, shoot.
At this rate, we'll be soaked by the time we get to the vehicle.
Totally soaked by the time
anyway,
we get to the vehicles.
It's been fun and lovely regardless.
Yes, I wonder why they filled the left side, or leveled the left side. Doesn't it look like they've been out there? On the
Oh yeah, they've definitely...
I wonder why. You almost want the water to have a wider path to put less to the right. You know, less pressure. Wow, look at that hole down there. Ooh, that would be fun to hit in the lap. Wow. Dumpy.
Oh yeah, that's rodeo, ain't it?
That's a rodeo, yeah. Even in my 16-foot cataract, that would be a nice hit.
Actually, I don't know. A lot of guys just laugh at that, but to me, that would break my back right now.
Yeah, you're not if you were on the raft though. It'd be better for you. You could skirt it on the left.
Yeah, I wouldn't skirt it on the right.
No. Consequences. And plus there's a sweeper down below it.
I don't know if this guy lives out here or what the deal is, but he's out here all the time. Well, guys, it is February the 12th, Wednesday. I'm here at the winery right now. As you can see, we've been getting a lot more rain, and water's up a good bit right now. Not looking good for going fishing anytime soon. Right here in Alvarado, just looking at how bad it is. I don't doubt that we'll probably end up having some more slides up on the mountain. Everything being washed out and loose up there, and then all this rain we've had. Probably not going to be good. Hopefully this rain slacks off a little bit. February the 13th, guys, Thursday. We've been getting a bunch of rain out here again. Definitely not what we want to see out here, to be honest with you. I do think maybe this rain's supposed to slack off today, but it's rained all night again last night. Hopefully this is the worst it gets. Well, It did quit raining, but obviously the water's still coming down off the mountain. Hopefully this stuff doesn't get any worse. What's going on, brother?